In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for email by date in Outlook. To get started, open Outlook in either the web version or the desktop app. The process looks nearly identical in both, so use whichever you prefer. At the top of Outlook, you'll see the search bar running across the header. Click inside that search bar to activate the search tools. This is important because some filtering options won't appear until you've placed your cursor there. Next, look to the right side of the search bar for the filter button. It looks like a small funnel. Click that button to open your filtering options. Among the choices, find the date filter. This is where you tell Outlook exactly which time frame you want to search. If you need something quick, choose one of the preset ranges, such as today, yesterday, or last 7 days. These presets are great for common scenarios, like tracking down something you just received or reviewing last week's messages. As soon as you pick a preset, Outlook will narrow your results to that time frame. If you're working with a more specific window, choose the option to set a custom start date and end date using the calendar. Click your start date, then your end date, and confirm. This is perfect when you know the email landed during a specific project period or within a billing cycle. A helpful tip: if you want to focus on one single day, just set the start and end date to the same date. Outlook will instantly refresh the results so you only see messages within that exact range. You can also search by date using a direct search operator in the search bar. If you prefer to type your filter, enter received year month date. This tells Outlook to show messages received after November 13, 2025. Use any date you need and Outlook will adjust accordingly. If your goal is a single day, remember that the calendar method is the simplest way to lock in that exact date. As you refine results, keep an eye on the search chips or filters that appear below the search bar. They make it easy to confirm the date range that's currently applied and remove it when you're done. If the results feel too broad, you can add normal keywords, like a sender's name or a topic, along with your date filter to narrow things further. That's it. Now you know how to quickly find emails by date in Outlook. Thanks for watching.